Hi guys, James here. Welcome to Tibaldi Goes Modworks and welcome back to part 2 of the build update part 2 of the Tamiya's 1/35 scale pack 38 5cm anti-tank gun. Now, as you can see, she's been painted. Obviously it's very subtly weathered as well. Okay. And we've got our favourite oils here. So this effectively is going to be rinse and repeat of the last time. Thing is, I don't want to get it too grubby. I just want to get it grubby enough. I've basically gone over. I sprayed it with XF63 German grey first. Flat coated it. Highlighted all the bolts in the armour with XF24 dark grey, and picked out a few other details with it. And obviously I basically used some gunmetal as well to highlight some other parts of it. So yeah, then I airbrushed it with went over it with the XF51, which is khaki drab, and LP75, which is dust. So this bit of armour shouldn't need a lot of just to pick out the details here. Picking out a few of the details. Gonna pick out a bit of the detail here on the wheels as well. And by the magic of editing, this will disappear when it's weathered, when it's dry. If you watch my first video, I did raise some concerns about the kit, but then that was just me. Build it and see what you think. Obviously I've not built the crew up at this one because this one's going to be towed by a vehicle that I haven't built yet. Probably the Pro's crap jobby. What's that wheel done? we got that bit done. Does look rather, sorry I'm going off screen, I've got, because my eyesight's quite poor, it's alright. And let's put a dot filter on here. Why, pray tell, you ask, if I've got set up some new colours if I'm only weathering this? Well, I'm not only weathering this. Because it's March on Sunday and we've got a kit to finish. We've got the Matchbox Middle Eastern March. There we go. So that's made the shield pop on the front of the gun. So that's that with that one. So I'll let this dry. That reminds me, I've got to do the got to do in there. Oops. With some burnt umber to simulate rust. There we go. There we go. And that is done. So I'll pause it there. I'm going to see if I can find a vehicle to tow it. So effectively I've got my little Panzer 1B that Tamiya do, and we've just rigged it up so it looks like it's being towed. So yeah, so you can sort of, you've got an impression of what the gun looks like when it's being hauled by something. Not necessarily this, but hey ho, it's just something that was readily available. And on that bombshell, I'm gonna pause the video there and put this on the spinny thing. I'll see you in a bit. And here we have her on the spinny thing. and ironically the sun's come out, so it's obviously in shade because I'm sitting here to do this. Yes, I didn't build the figures admittedly, but I'm going to use those on another kit, which will probably be the pack 35, I suspect. I'll reuse the figures on that. So yeah, nice little kit, very fiddly, but obviously, yes, I've built it. So there we go. And you'll see it, possibly see it in a diorama later on in the year. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye for now.